Hey, this is Kiefer from MROVI Trailer Parts located in Flemington, New Jersey. We have what we call our axle kits. Now, they're listed on the site. You go to the header, all the little buttons at the top, click axle kits. They're ranged by capacity. They have your axles, they have your suspension, and anything you need to hang your axle, including the U-bolts. One complete, concise kit. And the cool thing is, with us, the last mile is on us, guaranteed. What does that mean? That means we deliver your parts to your doorstep. Now, that can be as quick as 24 hours, or if you choose our standard delivery option, it is 48 hours. Now, if your order is over $500, that 24-hour delivery is absolutely free. If you make another purchase outside of our axle kits, or you have one of our lower capacity kits that's under $500, you still can have 24-hour delivery. It just costs 50 bucks. But that is still cheaper than most other places that build shipping into their costs. We can get it to you cheaper, quicker, faster, so you can get back on the road. That's the last mile guarantee.